Hi everyone, it's the old bull here, and this is one of my pet projects I've been working on this last several months, but frontman.site. So this is a talking head or talking avatar video site. This is Stonehand Face. I like him a lot. Frontman.site. Now, before you go in to the actual site, you can actually see there's 9 videos here that have been made, or actually I've made, using the site. And you won't be able to hear them on this video because I don't have that facility to do. So basically, these 9 videos are all from one script. And what I've done is I've used AI to take the one script and adjust the script to each personality of these 9 people. So it's exactly the same script, but it's 9 different performances. So Frontman has the ability to learn your brand, and you can actually teach Frontman by doing several things. And we're going to make this better and better over time. But the idea is it learns your brand. So when you write a script, it already knows all about your brand. It has all that stuff stored. So it knows how many games you've got. If like using Playable as an example, it knows how many games are out. It knows what price the nodes are. It knows how many coins are available, et cetera, et cetera. So it understands. So when it's writing scripts, it actually stays within that. But more importantly, it can learn your tone, what we call a brand tone or a brand voice, and it can actually learn that. So these 9 videos are all the same script, but they're all slightly different. This guy talks about you got to stay on mission and you got to get there. This guy's a surfer dude. He's like, hey, it's wild and it's unbelievable. And this service robot talks about how it looks after you and it's easy to use. And this tech girl talks about how, et cetera, et cetera. So it's just slightly different variances, but it's all really cool. Frontman is designed to do everything that you need to make a talking head video. So let's just sign in. There's authentication code there. So you need to go to your authentication code. Okay, so this is just one of my test accounts. So this is when you come in, tells you your email's verified, you've read the thing. Sorry, the how to use guide. So we've got a how to use guide, which is here. And this takes you through how to actually set up. So one of the things we do is we use you get your own API keys. And what this does is it actually protects you from overrunning costs. You actually control all your own costs. No fees are hidden. You're just paying for your API keys. And then Frontman just charges a flat fee per month to use the actual site. So putting all this together so it doesn't take a lot of stress and work, and it takes you right through how to get set up. Then you come to company profile, and the company profile learns about your voice. So there's a basic walkthrough. I won't do this now, but you upload your documents. You then review. The AI goes off and looks at your website, reads all the documents, and then the AI interviews you and asks you questions about your company, and then it remembers all that for later. Then you come to API keys. You put your API keys in. And you can set up 2-factor authentication if you want. And then you choose your subscription. And there's different ways you can do your subscriptions. And at a later stage, we're going to do a white label, which means if you're a marketing company and you want to sell this, you can actually make this called Pete's Talking Head Videos or Pete's Marketing. And you can sell this to your clients and let them actually think that you made the whole thing. And there's a settings tab there, which basically tells you where your subscriptions are up to. So this is our fuel gauges and what billing mode you're in and what font package you're using. So it comes free with Whisper, and there's an add-on you can get called Assembly, which is just, Assembly is better at timing. They get more on-time font captions. So sometimes it's really good to have fonts that don't line up with your voice because it makes you read what's going on because it falls behind and goes in front of the voice. But sometimes you don't want that distraction. You just want the fonts to be right on time, the captions to be right on time. All right, so dashboard. let's go to create video. So I've got a bunch of characters. These first three are, if you go to the characters, these first three are demo ones. They come with the free trial. There's a free trial you can log in and try. And you can make a video with any of these. These are a set of characters that I've built already, but let's make another one just to show you how it works. So you come to character creator and then you enter the name. So I don't know what it's going to be yet, so let's have a think about that. In the AI generate, so you can upload your own face if you want, and you can use your own actual thing, or you can upload a character of your choice. You have to have the rights to use it. We've made it so you can generate with transparent background, but we tend not to now. We tend to put the backgrounds in. So let's, there's an example prompt there, really simple one, but let's do a punk rocker chick with tall purple hair and studs in her ears and on her leather clothing. She is sitting on a motorbike on a chopper motorbike. Looking directly into the camera. Medium shot. Ultra realistic. Oh, let's do Pixar. Generate image. Okay, well, it didn't get the chopper motorbike quite correct, but that's good enough. It's like a speedster. I'm going to keep that just for this particular example. I'm going to keep that. I actually really like it. It's got a really nice feel about it. I could have talked about her eyes. I could have talked about having things in her lips. I could have talked about the bike more, like more detailed. Often I'll go to ChatGPT externally and type out, get it to actually work with me and make a really good prompt. And it might be like 4 times that size. But these short ones tend to work pretty well and you get something quite good. Depends what you want to do. So if you were selling motorbikes, this might be one of the people you have talking about your motorbikes. So it's up to you. So now we go to voices. We need to put, if this says 0, it means the voices haven't been loaded. I've got 5,000 voices available. So they're all loaded. So let me just choose a voice and I can just go through these voices.
Hi, I'm Kami. My voice is warm, gentle and flexible. What should we make?
Now,
Смелость – это не отсутствие страха, а просто продолжение движения.
so if I wanted her to be like a real tough biker, I could actually put a male voice on her and make her really stand out. It depends. I can go for a rough. So I can just search in here female just to keep that.
हम हर किसी की फिक्र
हमें उन लोगों के लिए
Doesn't matter what.
Check out the new promotion from Glow Girl. Feel like the powerful queen you really are.
That's actually pretty good. Quite like that. So then I lock that in place. Now I come back up to name. I'm going to call her Punk. There's a very original punk girl. I confirm that I've got the rights to use this image. I've created it myself, so it's fine. And I'm going to save that character. So now I can make her whenever I can use her whenever I want. Now, the best thing is I can take punk girl and I can put a variation. So use punk girl, punk girls face and body style and place her in a casual beach dress with big earrings and a shell necklace. She has nothing in her hand. She's sitting at a Caribbean cafe. So now I can edit image. And this is really, really cool. So the AI remembers her face and then it actually creates the new character using her face and body. So this means that we get consistent characters. I mean, if this is our spokesperson for our brand, we can put her into all the different ads. So she can be at a beach, she can be at a nightclub, she can be at a party, she can be working on the motorbike in a mechanic shop, she can be on a ride somewhere with two other people. So so there you go. There's Punk Girl at the beach on holidays. So really, really cool. Now, the other thing we can do is if we wanted to put Punk Girl into a branded shirt, we can give a prompt, and this, when you add logo, it'll change her clothing to a T-shirt, and it will put your company brand on her T-shirt. So it's really, really good. So I'm going to confirm I own that image, and I'm going to save it. Now it saves. Oh, I need a variation name. Sorry. So I go beach Punk Girl. So save variation. And now when I come back to Punk Girl, it's got how many variations? Going to need to just refresh that. And there is beach Punk Girl right there. So if I want to actually make something with her, there's beach. So I can select with beach Punk Girl. All right. So that is characters. And as you can see, once you've created the character, you are literally making a video within 5 minutes.
Hey there, motorbike maniacs! You won't believe what I found! I have to tell you about this incredible place, Mike's Master Mechanic Shop. You know those guys that treat your bike like it's their own? That's Mike and his crew. Whether it's just a tune-up or something major, they know their stuff better than anyone, and my baby purrs like a beast because of them. Are you ready to get your bike treated like a rock star? Hit up Mike's and tell him I sent you. Keep riding wild.
Let's come across to, well, they're the characters, and then there's baskets, and baskets are a set of sounds. So you got music, your ambient sounds, and you can upload the music tracks. Now you need to get licenses for these, and there's in our instructions we tell you how to do all that. But the idea is that you, sorry, it tries to play. Don't know why that happens. We're working that out. So these baskets are used to very quickly give you ambient sound. So let's go to video. We'll choose I like this hippie girl. She's really nice. We'll go to portrait. I'm going to put like a light shadow. I'm going to stick with 4 or 5 words in a phrase. You can go to full line or you can go word by word. I like the 4 or 5. It's quite nice. She's up in the mountains. So I'm going to go for a green. And I'm going to choose country for my basket. So this supplies the sounds for country, and I'll show you how we mix it up. So I'm going to come down to AI, and I can bring my own script in and just drop my script into here if I want. But here I want to just get AI. So a quick hello, less than 30 seconds from hippie girl talking about life and not taking it too seriously. generate script with AI. So this is using the AI to actually generate the script. Now it's put the emotions in. I can add to these emotions with any of these emotion tabs if I want to. So let's just see. Hey there, beautiful soul. Okay, so it's got, have you ever just one cosmic giggle? So right there where she says giggle, I'm going to put my mouse here, and I'm going to put in a giggle. All right. So take it from me, the mountains and the lake are whispering. Yep, sounds good. So now we preview the audio. Now, once again, you're not going to be able to hear this when it's ready, but I'll show you the finished video when it's finished.
Hey there, beautiful soul. Have you ever felt like life's just one big cosmic giggle? Take it from me. The mountains and the lake here are whispering, relax, enjoy, and let the universe flow. Life's too precious.
I'm not happy with that, so I'm going to regenerate it.
Hey there, beautiful soul. Have you ever felt like life's just one big cosmic giggle? Take it from me. The mountains and the lake here are whispering, relax, enjoy, and let the universe flow. Life's too precious to take too seriously, you know? Embrace the magic in every moment. If you're vibing with this, let's keep the positivity going. Subscribe for more soul chats. Peace and love, always.
That's good enough. So I'll keep that. So I'm going to use the audio. Now I come down to the mixing desk, and I've got all those songs I've uploaded for this particular style. And let's just choose Meadows. Got the voice audio.
Hey there, beautiful soul. Have you ever felt like life's just one big cosmic giggle? Take it from me. The mountains and the lake here are whispering, relax, enjoy, and let the universe flow. Life's too precious to take too seriously, you know? Embrace the magic in every moment. If you're vibing with this, let's keep.
That's perfect. So I'm going to keep that, and then I create video. So it's that simple, and that video gets sent off. And so now this will turn green when it's actually accepted by the AI that makes the video, and it stays flashing yellow while it's being made. And then when it's finished being made, it'll go green, and it goes flashing yellow for the caps. And then when the caps are finished, it'll go to this one and then deliver. So I'm going to end it here, and I'll include this at the end so you can watch what that video was and how she came out.
Hey there, beautiful soul. Have you ever felt like life's just one big cosmic giggle? Take it from me. The mountains and the lake here are whispering, relax, enjoy, and let the universe flow. Life's too precious to take too seriously, you know? Embrace the magic in every moment. If you're vibing with this, let's keep the positivity going. Subscribe for more soul chats. Peace and love, always.
Thanks, guys. Old Bull out.